Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. Today I'm really excited to bring to you this unboxing of a brand new deck I just got, Mystic Mondays Tarot. And I'm already loving the holographic design I see on the box. I have not opened it yet. The interesting thing is that I saw one of the cards on Instagram, and it took me a few days to figure out what deck it was from, but as soon as I figured it out, I knew I had to have it. So I actually ordered it on Amazon and got it in less than a day. So I thought it would be fun to do a video unboxing and look at it up close with all of you. So let me go ahead and take off the shrink wrap and we'll get right into it. Okay, I went ahead and took off the outer plastic wrap. And I love the holographic design of the box. I have a thing for hollow iridescent. I really love it, and I am really excited to see all these cards up close. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the artwork of the box. Now, I have seen a few videos showcasing this deck. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. But I didn't want to watch too many of them because I wanted to experience this for the first time along with all of you in this video. So here obviously is the guidebook. Wow, very nice. It's got glossy pages. And oh, I didn't show the creator. Her name is Grace Duong, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But so far I'm really liking what I see. And then here are the beautiful cards. So that is the box. This is, wow, these cards are gorgeous. You can see it's got holographic gilding along the edges. And then this is what the backs look like. And I'm not sure if these cards are just that thick or do I have two of them stuck together. Okay, I think this is just one. But there you go. I mean, the cardstock is very thick on these. I'm quite impressed. Glossy. And again, you have that iridescent back. Again, I can't tell if I have more than one card stuck together. Okay, you guys, as I was going through the deck, I did notice that some of the cards are stuck together, and it's taken me a little while to kind of unstick them. So, you know, I don't want the video to be too outrageously long. So what I'm going to do is probably try and pause the video and see if I can unstick the cards. If not, I'll just come back and show you what I got. Okay, so what I'm finding is that a lot of the cards are stuck together, but if you kind of bend them, you kind of break the seal along the edge, and then you're able to kind of separate them a little bit easier. But in a way, that's kind of fun. Breaking these apart. So, anyways, I think you guys kind of get the gist of the artwork of these cards. They're very beautiful. Very unique symbolism, very vibrant colors, but there's also a simplicity to these cards. where you don't have too much, pictures and a whole lot going on in the background. So it really helps you focus on the individual meaning of that particular card. So, I know this I know this video is probably not exactly an ideal unboxing, but like I said, at least you guys get the gist of what they look like and how they, how they feel. At least I'm trying to get this one. I feel bad that I kind of bent that one up, but that's okay. But, okay, it's obviously going to take me a while to get through this. And I don't want to hold up the video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Mystic Mondays Tarot deck. I probably will do a follow-up video once I get these all situated, and then I will take the time to show you. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.